In the heart of Paris, where history breathes through limestone, lies a $5 million restoration that redefines the étage noble. This isn't just an apartment, it's a 19th-century symphony of 4-meter soaring ceilings and hand-carved boiserie. Every inch of this space honors the legacy of Baron Haussmann while embracing a modern soul. Are you ready to step inside the ultimate expression of Parisian elegance, where the craftsmanship of 1880 meets the luxury of tomorrow? Let us begin. We begin our journey at the limestone facade, a testament to the golden age of Parisian architecture. The exterior is a rhythmic display of rhythmic masonry and ornate corbels, leading the eye to the prestigious second floor. Here, the étage noble reveals its status through a continuous wrought-iron balcony that wraps around the building like a crown. The afternoon sun hits the stone, creating high-contrast shadows that highlight the depth of the 19th-century carvings. It is a grand invitation to a world of absolute refinement. Is this the most iconic street view in the 8th arrondissement? Step into the Grand Salon, where the scale of the 4-meter ceilings immediately commands silence. The DNA of the home is written in the Point de Hongrie oak floors, their honey hues polished to a mirror finish. Sunlight pours through floor-to-ceiling French windows, illuminating the intricate boiserie that has been meticulously restored to its original glory. At the center sits a monumental white Carrara marble fireplace, a masterpiece of fire and stone that grounds the room in history. It is a space designed for both grand galas and quiet reflection. Can you feel the weight of history in this craftsmanship? The master suite is a sanctuary of soft textures and hard architectural lines. The soaring ceilings continue here, adorned with delicate plaster rosettes that lead the eye upward. The walls, draped in heavy silk, frame a view of the tree-lined boulevard through the ironwork of the balcony. A smaller, yet equally exquisite, Carrara fireplace adds an intimate warmth to the room, while the herringbone oak underfoot provides a tactile connection to the past. It is a room that doesn't just house dreams, it inspires them with every sunrise. Would you ever want to wake up anywhere else? In the kitchen, the restoration takes a bold, contemporary turn without losing its heritage. Minimalist cabinetry in matte charcoal contrasts sharply against the white Carrara marble island and the historic wall panels. State-of-the-art appliances are integrated so seamlessly they nearly disappear, allowing the Point de Hongrie floors to remain the protagonist. The high-contrast lighting catches the steam of a morning espresso, blending the functional requirements of a modern chef with the aesthetic demands of a palace. Is this the perfect marriage of modern tech and period detail? Ascending toward the heavens of the apartment, the mezzanine offers a vertical perspective on the 4-meter volume. This architectural intervention uses slim black steel and glass to create a floating gallery that overlooks the living room. From here, you are eye-level with the ornate crown moldings, allowing for a close-up appreciation of the 19th-century plasterwork. It serves as a bridge between the home's historic roots and its forward-thinking layout, providing a quiet perch above the grandeur of the main floor. Does this bird's-eye view change your perspective on luxury? The master bath is a temple of Carrara marble, where the stone flows seamlessly from the heated floors to the walk-in rainfall shower. The restored boiserie panels have been treated to withstand the elements, maintaining the home's design language even in its most private quarters. A freestanding soaking tub sits beneath a tall, frosted French window, catching the high-contrast light of the Parisian sky. It is a spa-like retreat that feels less like a utility room and more like a curated gallery of stone and light. Could this be the ultimate Parisian sanctuary? Before entering the private residence, one must pass through the grand entrance courtyard. This space is a masterclass in privacy and prestige, featuring heavy arched oak doors and traditional cobblestones. The high-contrast shadows cast by the surrounding limestone walls create an atmosphere of old-world mystery. Manicured topiary adds a touch of vibrant green against the monochromatic stone, signaling a transition from the bustling Parisian boulevard to the serene, protected luxury of the interior estate. Does an entrance get any more cinematic than this? High above the streets, the private rooftop terrace offers a panoramic dialogue with the city. Surrounded by the classic zinc mansard roofs that define the Paris skyline, this space is an al fresco extension of the étage noble. The wrought-iron railings match the balconies below, ensuring a consistent aesthetic from ground to sky. Whether watching the sunset over the Eiffel Tower or hosting an evening cocktail, the rooftop provides a breathtaking vantage point that reminds you exactly why Paris is the city of light. Is this the best view in all of France? The study, or working room, is where the home's intellectual legacy resides. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves are carved directly into the boiserie, housing a library that reaches toward the 4-meter ceiling. The high-contrast lighting is moody and focused, perfect for deep concentration. A heavy mahogany desk sits on the Point de Hongrie floors, positioned to catch the light from the French windows. It is a room of quiet power, where the 19th-century craftsmanship fosters 21st-century ideas in total, elegant silence. Can a room actually make you more creative? Tucked away at the rear of the property is a rare Parisian luxury, a private backyard garden. This intimate green space is framed by high limestone walls and features a delicate marble fountain that echoes the Carrara found inside. The design remains consistent with the front, utilizing symmetry and high-quality materials to create a hidden oasis. It is a place where the air is still, the ivy is lush, and the chaos of the city feels 1,000 miles away, despite being just steps from the Grand Boulevard. Is a secret garden the rarest luxury in Paris? This $5 million Parisian masterpiece is more than a residence, it is a love letter to the 19th century, written with modern ink. From the 4-meter ceilings to the sun-drenched oak floors, every element proves that true elegance is timeless. Thank you for joining us on this architectural tour. If you believe this is the ultimate Haussmann restoration, let us know which room stole your heart. Until next time, keep dreaming in Carrara and oak.